topic Japanese aggressions. Japanese aggressions. That means aggressions means ஆக்கிரமிப்பு. Japan continues to occupy. Japan continued to occupy in the North Chinese provinces. North Chinese provinces. While the development of the Manchuria as a military base occupied the North Chinese and the developed the countries, developed the Manchuria as a military camp, the military base. Mao believed that the Chiang Kai-shek, the controlled by the Kuomintans, Mao believed that the Chiang Kai-shek was necessary to sometime to hand a together the Kuomintang to fight off the Japans. So Mao என்ன திங்க் பண்ணானா Kuomintans கொஞ்ச நாளைக்காவது இந்த Chiang Kai-shek ஆட்சி செய்யணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சாரு. Chiang Kai-shek necessary for some times to hand it together Kuomintans to fight the Japanese. As the consequence of this pragmatic consequence, the pragmatic policy. After that, the attack on the communist gradually stopped. After that, gradually reduced to attack. So, in this topic, the Japanese occupied for the North Chinese. After that, the Manchurias controlled by the military camps. The Maoists, the thinking, the Kuomintans controlled by this Chiang Kai-shek. So after that, reduced the attack. After reduced the attack or stopped. Next topic for the communist victors. With the surrender of Japanese in 1945. So the two leaders, one is Maoist, another one is Chiang Kai-shek, is attacked. The attack to Japanese. Finally 1945 Japanese surrendered. With the surrender of this Japanese in 1945, the Kuomintans and the communists, the South, occupy the Japanese areas. So the two leaders, occupied by the Japanese areas. Finally, the success by the Kuomintans. The Chiang Kai-shek. These days, the Kuomintans was successful. The cities and the railways soon fell into their hands. So the cities and the railway stations also controlled by the Chiang Kai-shek. Even the areas around the Peking, the capital of China, the Chiang Kai-shek, the forces, controlled by the Chiang Kai-shek, largely because of the military's aid given by the USA. The help given by the USA. So another one is when the massive support provided by the USA, United States of America, Kuomintang government controlled the administration, port and communication systems. But the soldiers mainly drawn from the peasant were disillusioned and the discontent. In the mainly for the massive support of provided by the USA. The Kuomintang's government controlled the administrations, port and communication. Administration, port and communications controlled by the Kuomintangs. But the soldiers mainly drawn from the peasant was illicit and the discontent. But the Mao was keen to support to the peasant, keen to obtain the support of middle class peoples. Support to the middle class. So the middle class peoples need the Communist Party rules. So he declared that the communist wanted was the rule of the peoples. Finally, not the dictatorship, not a dictatorship, the end of the exploitations. The end of the exploitations, not absolute equality. Absolute equality. So thank you. The Kuomintang was controlled by this, the railways, communications, and port. With the support of USA, the Maoists helped to the support to the middle class. Finally, the end of the exploitations, not absolute equality. Thank you.